Okay, Fuzzbot, the Renault Alpine GTA, my first experience. This is, here we go, time to put the foot down.
Hey!
And let's give it some beans, let's redline it a bit. Wow. Okay, I mean, for a car that's, well, this is a 1989 version.
Yeah, it's just got me twitching.
Well, it has, but in terms of the size of the twitch, isn't it a small twitch? Because you feel quite safe. Don't you feel like you're in a well-engineered piece of technology here?
Solid-footed.
And I think, considering the sort of reputation that Renault had back in the 80s for being questionable build quality...
I think just probably, rather than that, just family cars.
Right.
Yeah.
It didn't have the bragging rights.
No. The one thing that I've noticed about this as a passenger is that it's surprisingly, I think, rattle-free.
Actually, it's remarkably tight and feels remarkably German, dare I say it. I mean, let's just drop it into turbo. Oh, wow, OK, so there's the turbo kicking in. Laggy and boost as you'd expect it for an 80s turbo car.
Yeah.
This is, there you go. Now that is a car that's got some ump to it.
That feels great, actually.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.